Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you like it here. Today I'm going to be doing some passion twists in my hair, and these are going to be like the easiest passion twists I ever done. This is the hair. I will link it down below with all the information for you guys to find it. It is already twisted, so I'm not going to be twisting it, but I'm going to be adding them into my hair individually, so stick around for that. First thing I'm gonna do is part my hair off into 4 different sections, and this is gonna help me to part the smaller sections for the twist much easier. Now that I've done that, I'm taking out my very first roll for my twist. For this first row, I'm going to split it in 3, and then I'm going to hold each of them off with elastic band, and this is how I'm going to do it for every single pieces in my hair where I'm going to be attaching the passion twist. To prevent any damage to your hair from using the rubber bands, you can dip them in oil prior to using them. At this point, I'm all done adding the rubber bands onto the first section, so I'm just gonna hold it away with a rubber band as I move on to the second section. At this point, I'm all done adding the rubber bands into my entire hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and start adding the passion twist hair. The hair I'm going to be applying is a pre-twist passion twist crochet hair. So yeah, it's already twisted. All I got to do is attach it onto my hair, and that's going to make it so much easier than if I had to twist the entire thing. To attach them individually, I'm going to use this crochet needle and pull pieces of the passion twist hair under the elastic band, and then I'm just gonna loop the hair onto itself, and then I'm gonna start twisting it. So if you never used a crochet needle before for your hair, believe me, it is not hard. It may seem hard, but it's not. It's pretty simple to use, so definitely don't be scared of this. Before I start twisting, I apply some gel onto my hair to get it nice and sleek. And I'm twisting it in a method where I twist the hairs individually, that's my hair and the crochet hair, before twisting them around each other. And this method will allow them to stay, even though it's a twist. Yes, it won't unravel if you do it like this. And that completes the first one, and like I said, it's pretty easy because number one, my hair is short and all I have to do is twist it up to the length of my hair, and that's it. I'm gonna move on to another one to show you guys again exactly how I do it, and I'm not gonna do all of them in the video. I'm just gonna do some of them so you guys see how I do it, and then I'll finish the rest of it off camera. So again, you're gonna pull the hair through under the elastic band using the crochet needle. Then you're gonna loop the passion twist hair through itself before you start twisting it. And make sure to apply some gel onto your hair to make it nice and sleek. And as I twist them around each other, I twist them individually to make them lock onto each other much better. And like I said, if you do it this way, they won't unravel. And that is what it looks like, guys. You see how nice and tight they are and staying together. They're not coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more for you guys, and if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask them down below. I usually get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming through. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please feel free to check out some of my other videos, such as my box braid tutorials. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. At this point, I'm all done attaching all that I did on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look, and I am so obsessed with it. I absolutely love the color, but moreover, I like how easy they were to install, and I like the method that I used to install them. Because they are individuals, I could style my hair in so much different ways, and no one would be able to tell that it's actually crochet passion twist, that it was already twist before me putting them into my hair. So that's something I really love about it. I did this style in about 3 to 4 hours, and I was just so amazed at how quick I finished it, and I got so much compliments on it that I didn't even want to take them out. The hair is from Toyotress. I use the hair all the time, and I will link all the information, all the details to the hair down below in my description box, so definitely check it out if you're interested. Oh, before I forget, y'all, the set came with 8 packs in it, and I used 5 of them for this style. I can't remember off the top of my head the length and color for this hair, so I will leave it in the description box, so definitely check that out for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!